Well, good morning. Where am I? I'm inside Trinity University of Asia, Balik Eskwela. We had We had some face-to-face na session for our students at BSREM. So let's just take pictures, video of the facilities dito sa Trinity University of Asia. So I had my class kanina 8 to 10. So galing akong Kant area. So, this is yung facilities nila, building facilities. Okay, akyat tayo here. We're going into yung College of Business Administration. Okay, pasok tayo. So we're not studying here, student, but as lecturer, professor. Ito yung facilities nila. This one. Kakatuwa din tong face-to-face na to. First time na you meet your students na online. Students online, meeting them on a face-to-face basis. So this is their chapel. They have their, what building is this? Student service building. Okay, they have their chapel. Then old bamboo pala dito. I'll be having my next class at 11 o'clock after Professor George Pimentel. Yung building to sa papasok yung facilities na dito tayo manggaling. Okay, so this is yung building College of Business Administration. The main entrance here. Dito yung klase natin. Hi. Pasok ako. Klase. Lecture. Okay. Pasok tayo. Here. CR na tayo here. Okay. Ito yung mga classroom. Okay. So I'll be having my class sa second floor. Okay, signing off.